Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So Alibaba stock has been trending lately, and on jax.com it is the most searched stocks recently. So Jax, who are a leading stock market researcher, has given Alibaba, based on all the fundamentals, ranking of 3 and a hold signal as well. Not only that, lot of investment analysts saying that Baba is a terrific value stock at these low prices, but requiring a lot of patience for the investors with all the macroeconomic headwinds. So let's just quite quickly jump into the technical side of it, do some technical analysis and figure out where the stock is headed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like and share for more videos, and without any further delay, let's jump in. On the technical front, we do have clear support and resistance levels on Baba. First, we have to talk about this peak. We have been selling off consistently since those highs. If you draw a channel downside, right? So we were able to somehow break this channel to the downside, and now we are consolidating to the sideways around these lows, which is very attractive for the long-term investors, as we have seen earlier. If you go on the weekly, just look at the support we have, right? Let me draw a horizontal trend line from back in the since the IPO. Okay, so this is your technical support region, and we are almost close to that, and the recent lows have been towards mid 70s. Around 73 was the lows, which was back again support before we moved back up in 2016. So these are the key levels, and we all know those will be some good there will be some huge buyers coming back up in that area below 88 to 73 dollars. So what we are looking at in the near term is that, let me first look at the monthly chart. I have one thing to point out here. So there is a huge bearish candle here. A couple of months back we have completely engulfed the June's monthly candle with the July, right? So that is one complete engulfing, and the next sign I see here, which is very bearish, is in the August we have consolidated with a smaller candle. The July's candle is a long red candle with a smaller consolidation candle, and if we break this August low and close below that, that will form a clear 3-bar pattern on the monthly, which is a very powerful signal for short sellers. And not only that, traders will look into that and maybe create a downward pressure again, which may actually cause this the 70 low 70s to break and maybe hit these lows at mid 50s, right? So that is your key level. Especially on monthly, these become more and more powerful, these patterns. So you have to be careful with the price action and be safe and have a risk off zone, and plan your trades properly. And if you look at daily, if that can hold, right, like this $88 zone holds around 88 85, we can actually then consider this price point, this range, as a key technical range. Okay, so if that can hold, then stock probably in the next month or two we still be in this area of support and resistance, this zone. Let me just color that. Let me color that orange, something like this. So now you see this area can become your trading area, so you may want to trade between this zone as the stock has been moving. Okay, so I believe that the downward trend has broken and we are moving sideways. As long as we hold these levels, we should be away from the lows of mid 50s. all right, so if you're a trader, you know this would be very key and critical level next this week. If we hold this, we are again probably going back to test these highs, or maybe first face the resistance of this white trend line, which is a 200 EMA, where you can go back and see after we have broken that here, the couple of times we have broken it, gone back up, but since then we have never broken the 200 EMA, which was acting as a clear area of resistance. So you want to be making sure maybe around this area, if we bounce and hold this level of 88 or 85 dollars and bounce back up, that will be your next area of resistance. Post that would be around 123 dollars, which was again a peekaboo to the upside and sold off back down to 80s. all right, so these will be your key price levels, and hope this has helped you to have some overall perspective on this stock or create your own bias. all right, thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye.